Simplilearn. Your pace, your place.
Lesson 10. Advanced Scrum Concepts. Welcome to the 10th lesson of Simplilearn's Agile Scrum training program. In this lesson, we take a slightly offbeat, critical look at adaptation of Scrum to different situations. Scrum is a very simple and lightweight methodology, and realistically, it can be applied in any situation. However, every situation has its own unique challenges, which may not be addressed in the basic guideline. Hence, we talk about some best practices about how to adapt Scrum for large projects or maintenance projects, for example. These insights would be useful to have a satisfactory experience of using Scrum. Let us begin with the agenda of this lesson. Agenda. We will now look at the detailed agenda for this lesson. We start off by looking at how Scrum works in different situations. Large projects with large teams working on multiple subsystems with complex integrations and interfaces presents some unique challenges. This is a challenging situation for any methodology, and so it will be from Scrum as well. We shall talk about some of the best practices that will help make this easier. We then talk about Scrum in maintenance projects. We then look at how to make Scrum work in distributed teams, and we shall consider a few common scenarios to make it real. Then we look at how Scrum principles can be worked into contracts and how Scrum can work in different contract types. Lastly, we talk about the challenge of transitioning a team which is used to and steeped in traditional methodologies to Scrum. Again, we look at a few steps and measures that can help make this transition just a little bit smoother. In the next slide, we will understand about Scrum on large projects. Scrum on large projects. Scrum Guide talks about small teams, 7+ or -2 members. So how will it work on large teams, with team sizes running into 3 digits at times? How does one deal with the multiple interfaces and integrations across subsystems, which are working together to deliver complex solutions? Let us try to address some of these questions. The first step is to try and divide up the team into smaller units.